Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. In this video, we're going to take a very quick look at another EV penny stock I wanted to put on your radar, Adomani Inc, ticker symbol ADOM. As always, before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Oh, and guys, if you could hit that thumbs up and subscribe, it would help to grow the channel and I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Adomani Inc. provides zero-emission electric and hybrid drivetrain systems for integration in new and existing school buses and medium to heavy-duty commercial fleet vehicles. Its products include traction motor, generator and motor controller, as well as power flow setup for direct drive configuration, which is a single-speed gearbox or a multi-gear ration transmission system. The company also offers lithium-ion battery packs, inverters, chargers, electrically driven systems for power steering and brakes, wiring harnesses, flat-screen user interface, and fleet technician diagnostic tools. Adomani Inc. was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in Corona, California. Adomani offers businesses and schools a zero-emission alternative for commercial trucks, chassis, and vans that help aid in meeting GHG emissions requirements while additionally reducing the overall total cost of ownership compared to internal combustion engine trucks that run on fossil fuels. Some of their vehicles include all-electric cab and chassis, available in classes 3 to 4, with up to 130 plus miles on a single charge. An all-electric cutaway, available in classes 3 to 4, that also provides up to 130 plus miles on a single charge. They also have an box truck, stake bed truck, cargo van and a high-top cargo van. And the Firefly ESV that goes up to 50 miles per hour in speed and provides 90 plus mile range on single charge. Adomani last issued its quarterly earnings data on November 13, 2020. The reported 1 cent earnings per share (EPS) for the quarter. The company had revenue of $0.16 million for the quarter. Adomani has generated $0 earnings per share over the last year. Adomani has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Tuesday, March 9, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Insider ownership percentage is 30.11%. One analyst is offering a 12-month price forecast for Adomani of 45 cents. The estimate represents a plus 8.84% increase from the last price of 41 cents. On the last trading day, Friday the 15th of January 2021, the stock fluctuated 17.39% from a day low at 39 cents to a day high of 46 cents. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 4.14% gain for the last 2 weeks. During the last day, the stock moved 7 cents between high and low, or 17.39%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 11.97%. With the EV sector only representing an overall 3% of the cars worldwide, we could see considerable growth from this company, and with such a low price it could present a good entry point. I think this stock could do well in 2021 and beyond as we see more and more companies converting their fleet vans and trucks into full electric or replacing them altogether. As always, penny stocks can be very risky, so only invest a small percent of your portfolio and only use capital you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please like, subscribe, and consider joining our Discord. You can find the link below. As always, thank you and take care.